This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood for trading. First, you will need to download the Robinhood app and create an account. This involves providing some personal details and linking your bank account for funding. Robinhood offers commission-free trading, which means you pay $0 in fees for buying and selling stocks, ETF, and options. You can start investing with as little as $1, making it accessible for many new traders. Once your account is set up, navigating the Robinhood app is straightforward. The home screen provides an overview of your portfolio's performance, showing daily and overall gains or losses. You can easily search for specific investments using the search bar at the top. Each investments page offers comprehensive data, including interactive charts, relevant news articles, and analyst ratings to help inform your decisions. Don't forget to create watch lists to keep an eye on potential investments. Placing a trade on Robinhood is a simple process. After selecting the asset you wish to buy, tap the Trade button. You can then choose to buy shares or explore options trading if you are eligible. Decide whether to buy a specific number of shares or invest a particular dollar amount. For instance, you could buy 10 shares or invest $100. Always review your order details, including the total cost, before confirming your purchase. Managing your portfolio effectively is key to successful trading. Your portfolio screen provides real-time updates on your investment's performance. Consider setting up recurring investments, such as $5 every week, to consistently grow your holdings over time. Robinhood also offers various educational resources, including articles and tutorials, to help you understand market dynamics and improve your trading strategies. Regularly review your transaction history and account statements for financial clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.